of the Research and Development Department of the National University Library, and I'm also in charge of the organization of this event. So please, if you have any question or you have any problem or you would like to solve anything, please ask me or my colleagues who helped me in the organization of this assembly. So here, they are here, so you can find them everywhere. Well, before starting, I would like just to say that 10 years ago, I attended a meeting, and it was at ECDL conference in Rome, the International Web Archiving workshop. Also, it was organized during that meeting, and we had also a gathering, informal gathering. On this meeting, we discussed how to solve how to develop new web archiving tools. By that time, it was 10 years ago, the consortia was formed, and the National University Library of Slovenia unfortunately did not join the project. But we were very happy several years later when we heard that the developed web archiving tools were released as open source, and that the consortia will new members. So we think that it's a beautiful, it's a great idea that we cooperate in this task, because we can do much more for preserving the cultural heritage on the web.